On this 29th day of August, Monday, we're talking about the storms over the weekend, which included several tornadoes in the metro, and now a sunny, dry, calm stretch of weather ahead. I think you're going to like the forecast right through the upcoming holiday weekend. Well, let's take a run through from some of those storm reports. We'll start with yesterday's tornado report. This was near Princeburg. A lot of great video of this. Luckily, it doesn't appear to have done much. This is around 8 p.m. Princeburg in Kandiyohi County. Looks like it was a brief touchdown. And then there was this series of gustnadoes. So these are tornadoes, but they form on the leading edge of straight line winds. And it started around Burnsville, 8 o'clock, Apple Valley, then moving through Dakota County here. You can see around Egan, and then into West St. Paul. So through Dakota County, this thing kind of skipped along, it appears, through Dakota County. Weak EF0 damage. We're talking about 75-mile-per-hour winds. But then another one on the St. Paul side of the river as well, just northeast, actually, of St. Paul's downtown Holman Field. There was even a 61-mile-an-hour wind gust picked up on the state fairgrounds, as well as some localized flooding. So folks at the fair had to take cover quickly. So several tornadoes from that first batch in Dakota County. Again, Burnsville all the way through West St. Paul, and then that second tornado that was on the ground for about 3.4 miles, went by Harding High School, the Goodrich Golf Course. Luckily, no injuries there. Obviously, you head into a dense urban area like that, it could have been a much worse scenario, even with a weak tornado. Of course, we picked up a lot of rain too. This is just yesterday's amounts. You can see streaks of 1 to 3 inches. The yellow areas are up to 3 inches of rainfall, and when we add it all up, the 72-hour rainfall through the weekend, yeah, much of southeastern Minnesota into western Wisconsin got quite a bit of rain. Over 2 inches for the eastern half of the metro, basically, and then pockets of a couple of inches in northwestern Minnesota, too. The airport officially picked up a little more than an inch. We're still 6 inches behind, though. So we need more rain like that, minus the severe weather, probably preferably. It's going to be a breezy day today. Wind gusts over 20 miles an hour as a west-northwest breeze flushes out that muggy air. So there's the dew points moving out of here. The bluish purple areas, the muggy stuff. It's going to be very comfortable. 50s dew points for the afternoon, and really through the rest of the week into the weekend. You could really argue that this upcoming week is going to be the best week of summer weather. Not too hot, not cool. We'll see warm temperatures, mainly dry, lots of sunshine. We haven't really had consecutive days like that where you didn't have some heat involved. There are going to be a few showers in northern Minnesota. They're closer to this upper level low, so this is the middle of the atmosphere. This pool of cool air aloft will create instability, so clouds will fill in for about the northern third of Minnesota. Some scattered showers there, but further south we'll stay brighter. Lots of sunshine here. There are those clouds today, but then this is tomorrow through Saturday. Look at this. A few passing high clouds is going to be it. Minnesota is going to see abundant sunshine, so we're rewarded from the weekend's weather with a stretch of dry, stable weather. Even though it was the last weekend of August, unofficially, Labor Day weekend is the last weekend of summer, even though meteorological autumn starts on Thursday already, and ironically, we'll be warming up briefly around that time. So near 80 today, the big change will be the drop in dew points. You'll notice that wind, lighter winds tomorrow, 79, and then mid, maybe even upper 80s here by late in the week, and then the holiday weekend, look at that. You know, 4th of July was unsettled, kind of cloudy, dreary. Memorial weekend definitely was. Looks like finally Labor Day weekend, we've got it all figured out. Mainly 80s, sunshine, and Labor Day itself, Monday, looks much like the rest of the upcoming weekend. So enjoy that.